Lasagna seems to be a very complicated dish to make. Pero today, gagawin natin siyang simple. One pot lasagna, let's start cooking. So, gagawa tayo ng lasagna and we'll make it simple. Mas simple pa kaysa sa spaghetti. Oh, could you imagine that? Ito, gisa-gisa tayo. A little bit of oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, sibuyas, celery, garlic. We will saute our aromatics until very aromatic. Dapat mabango siya, luto siya, translucent, and we will add our ground beef. So ito siya is around 400 grams to 500 grams of ground beef. And add our herbs, dried oregano, dried basil, little bit of salt. And this is so easy to do na parang parang favorite niyo sa pamilya to, especially if you love lasagna, no? And tomato. Canned tomato is around 3 cups or 2 cans, no? Malaking lata. And a little bit of salt, no? So I want to let that simmer for a few minutes, around 3 to 5 minutes. And tomato sauce lang naman yan, parang spaghetti sauce. Paano naging lasagna? Eto siya. My lasagna noodles I will break. Ano pinanggagawa nito ni Chef? Look at that. Promise you, it's going to be masarap. I'll just add a little bit of sugar to balance. Some black pepper as well. And I will add here my chicken or beef stock. Wow, sabaw ginagawa ni Chef. Teka muna. Don't panic kasi I promise you it's going to be successful. Let that simmer. And now, look at that. My tomato soup. Tomato soup ba to? Sauce natin. Ba't ba tubig yung kanyang sauce? Teka muna. Because we will cook our pasta, our lasagna noodles here. Kaya maraming water because we want to cook our noodles here. So we will cook this for a few minutes. Let's cook it for around 7 minutes. So look at that. O, di ba? Naluto na yung noodles natin. So ito siya, tingnan mo. Mga 4 minutes na siya naluto. Dagdagan ko lang to siya ng bell pepper. I love it pag may bell pepper, diced bell peppers. Lalagyan ko siya ng milk. Pwede din cream. Pero milk yung gagamitin ko. And I will let it continue to cook. I think masarap na siya. And this is the time if you want to add something na pangpaanghang. Dagdagan mo ng chili flakes. Ako, freshly cracked black pepper. Malapit na maluto yung noodles natin. Scrape natin yung bottom. And this one, hindi lang siya ordinaryong one-pot lasagna. It's a 3-cheese one-pot lasagna. O, di ba? Pasosyal ng pasosyal. Cream cheese. Not for sa mataong nagda-diet. Pero once in a while, pwede naman. And what I will do here, I will also add a bit of mozzarella. And I'll also sprinkle some Parmesan just to give it a nice sharpness, no? Nice flavor. So, ito naman, yung gagawin natin dito, just make sure everything is mixed together. Yung ating cream cheese has melted into the whole sauce. Ito siya. What we will do now, we will add our melting cheese. This is mozzarella on top. Painaan na natin yung ating heat. O, di mo kailangan ng oven, no? Then, wala ka masyadong hugasan, no? Hindi ka na gumawa ng bechamel, sauce, pasta, then assemble pa. I'll add a little bit of chopped parsley. O, di ba? Ang social. And after cooking, iiwan mo siya, let it rest for another 30 minutes to 1 hour before serving. So, when you scoop it up, para talaga siyang lasagna. It's going to be so lovely and delicious. And look at that. Our lasagna has set after a few minutes. Yun mo, di ba? Sobrang ako natatakam. Kulang pa siya ng resting period. Pero I will serve myself a portion of this one-pot lasagna. Look at that. Very nice. Look at that. Sobrang nakakatakam. Pero I'm sure hindi kayo makatagal na tumingin lang dito while it's sitting on your tables. You can sprinkle with more cheese if you want. Pero ito siya. Lasanyang lasagna. No doubt about it. Mas mabilis pa gawin kaysa sa spaghetti. Titikman ko kung pasado. Perfect. Amazing one-pot lasagna. Try this at home. Impress your family. Kaya luto na tayo ng one-pot lasagna. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, Please click here to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!